Hello everyone and welcome to Joeveo. I'm Dean, the inventor of the Temperfect mug, and I'm going to give you a really quick little tour of the operations here. So come on in. So it starts with the Joeveo Photo Studio, which is right here. This is where some of our social media posts get started. It's also the Joeveo box storage area. But the factory proper is right down here. So a lot of this is devoted to storage. There's parts here, there, and everywhere. And the actual assembly of the mugs, or the final manufacturing steps, take place here. So these empty shells come in here, and this is the machinery that's used to put the magic phase change material into the mug. So we drill a little hole and inject the phase change material into the wall of the mug. Then the shells come over here and they get welded shut at this station, and they progress to the cleaning station where they're carefully cleaned, and then they end up over here at the assembly bench where they get their final assembly and inspection and packaging, boxing, and then they go on the racks ready to be sent out. This is the shipping station, the last station before they head off to our customers. So that, very briefly, is Joeveo, the finest little mug factory in the world, right here in Wake Forest, North Carolina. Thanks for stopping by and checking us out.